Hello everyone, I'm happy to be back with you again. Today we are making a special breakfast for Mother's Day. This is my special breakfast to say Happy Mother's Day to you wonderful moms out there doing a wonderful and amazing job with your children. So what is on the menu today is we're going to be making my special antioxidant blend smoothie. This smoothie has 5 different kinds of berries. So I have strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, blackberry, and cherries all mixed together. So I have about 5 cups. So I'm going to put it in here in my Vitamix blender. So the first thing you do is you pour like a cup of water, and then you add the berry into it. Some people like to add yogurt to their smoothie, but I just like the way I like to have my smoothie the way it's supposed to be, not adding too much into it. But it's your choice. If you like yogurt, you can add like 1 cup of yogurt into it, but I just want just the berry. Okay, so you add all that in there and just blend it all together. Okay, the smoothie is ready, so I'm going to pour it into a glass and put it in the fridge to cool. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's nice. It's a very powerful antioxidant blend, and it's really yummy. Okay, this is the second part of our Mother's Day breakfast. Remember, the antioxidant smoothie is done. Now I want to make Nigerian egg roll to go with the smoothie. So what you need for egg roll is you need 2.5 cups of flour. I have that in here. 3 eggs, ½ teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cups of sugar, 1/4 cups of oil, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, ½ cup of milk. And because I'm just going to make 6 egg rolls, so I have my already boiled eggs right here as well. So the first thing you do is to crack the eggs. So you mix all the liquid together. So I have my 3 eggs. You add your ½ cup of milk, 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. You can use vegetable oil, you can use corn oil, you can use olive oil. It's your choice. Any of those will work. So I have my liquid in here. You mix all the liquid together, the liquid ingredients, and then put the baking powder in. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 cups of sugar. So what you do next is to mix your dry ingredient together. Then you pour the liquid into the dry. This dough is very high in protein, so it's really good. So if you notice, I didn't add any water. Instead, I used milk. But for people who cannot take milk, you can use water for a substitute, or any other milk, maybe almond milk, you can use those. Okay, I just washed my hand. So you put your hand in there and make sure it's thoroughly mixed. The dough is nice and soft. If you feel it's a little bit sticky, you can just sprinkle a little bit of flour on top and mix it nicely. This dough can make 12 egg rolls, a dozen. but for today, and I use the same recipe for my buns, Nigerian buns. So I'm only going to make 6 egg rolls and a couple of buns as well. Okay, now my dough is ready. It's nice. I love the texture. It's good. And now I'm going to be rolling my 6 eggs. All you need to do is sprinkle a little bit of flour on the cutting board. Get some. Sprinkle a little bit more and roll it. Make it nice and flat, both sides. Okay, this is good. So now you can start to cut, you can cut it up. So all you are doing is just putting the dough around the egg. Okay, so you just roll it until you cover the whole egg. And once you cover it, you can cut it up. Make sure it's all covered, it's nice, and set it aside. And get another one, just put that around it. Cover the egg, cover it nicely, and then cut the extra off. That is good. Yeah, so I'm just rolling it, and I have my fryer here at about 300 degrees. That's the temperature of the oil. So I'm going to be deep frying it. It only takes about a minute for each egg roll to be ready. The color I'm looking for is golden brown. So my egg roll is ready to be fried, but as I mentioned earlier, I have extra dough. So this leftover dough, I'm going to use it to make buns. This is Nigerian egg roll, and I'm making Nigerian buns as well. I use the same recipe, the same ingredients to make my buns. So all you need to do to make the buns is you cut it into a medium size, the size that you like. Then you can't be wrong with the way you form you shape your buns. So I want it right, nice and round like a ball. And if you really want, you can roll it on the cutting board as well to get your nice round shape. And remember, inside this dough I have 3 eggs, milk, oil, little bit of sugar, just a pinch of salt, and milk, and baking powder as well. So if you feel it's too big, you can reduce it. Just sprinkle a little bit of flour, get a nice this measurement can give you nice dozen of buns. My buns is usually very nice and crispy, and the dough is very rich in protein. Okay, now I'm ready to fry my egg roll. Just put it all in at once, it's okay. The oil is nice. This is my electric fryer, so my dough won't be soggy and it will fry it quickly. If you notice, I keep on turning the egg roll just to make sure they are evenly cooked and nice on all the sides. So you don't want it to be overcooked on one side and not well cooked on the other side. So you keep turning it. My egg roll is done. It's nice and golden brown. Good, smells good too. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do now is to put in the buns. Okay, I'm just putting in the buns to fry it. Because it's the same dough, so it's a lot easier to use the same oil to fry it. There's nothing wrong with that because it's the same recipe, the same dough, it's fine. So I'm just going to, it will fry, maybe you give it about 2-3 minutes, it will be nice because I'm using an electric fryer. So the dough won't be soggy, it won't be oily, just be nice and perfect buns. Okay, while my buns is frying, I want to show you what my egg roll looks like inside. Wow, this is nice. This is the perfect egg roll. This is what you want. This is what it looks like. Happy Mother's Day. Okay, now my buns is ready. I'm going to take it out. It's nice and golden brown. It's not soggy. It's not oily. Just perfect. That's the advantage of frying your dough with an electric fryer. This is my Happy Mother's Day breakfast. My egg roll, my antioxidant blend with 5 different berries. Looks good. And a buns as well. So happy Mother's Day to you. I wish you are all here to have a wonderful breakfast with me. I wish you all a good day and see you next time. Bye for now.